Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to make your photos pop with easy Canva tricks? Let's level up your images. First, click Create, then select Custom Size. Enter 300 by 300 pixels as the dimensions. This sets your canvas to the correct size for this tutorial. Next, click Select Pictures to choose an image. Browse through your folders, find the desired photo, and click Open to insert it into your project. This adds the image to your current workspace. Click Edit, then select Upscale to enhance the image quality quickly and effectively. This improves details and sharpness, giving your image a clearer, more professional appearance. Here is the final result. You can also compare it with the original image shown here. This allows you to easily evaluate the changes and improvements made. Use this comparison to ensure the outcome meets your expectations before proceeding with any further steps. Here is the old image, and here is the new one. Now, let's add text to the new image. Click the text tool, then type your message. Adjust the font size and color as needed. Position the text on the image by dragging it. When you're satisfied, save your changes to complete the update. Zoom in to check for any differences. Observe closely to confirm if there are any noticeable changes between the images or sections displayed on screen. Let's grab another image from Evangel. Open the website and browse through the images. Select the image you want, then right-click and choose Copy Image. Now you can paste it directly into your document or project for use. This method is quick and easy for adding visuals from online sources. Paste the link here, then add the second face inside the room to complete the setup. Make sure both faces are positioned correctly before proceeding to the next step. On this side, select the Upscale option to enhance image resolution. On the opposite side, you'll find a different shape tool for creative adjustments. Begin by choosing the desired settings to refine your image. Use the Shape tool to customize your design elements, adjusting size and form as needed. Experiment with both sides to balance detail enhancement and creative effects. This approach helps achieve a polished, professional look in your project with precise control over image quality and style. Let's try selecting a lower quality image for comparison. Click on this image here. Notice how the resolution decreases, affecting clarity and detail. Lower quality images often appear pixelated or blurry, which can impact the overall look of your project. This is important when choosing images to ensure a professional appearance. Higher quality images maintain sharpness and color accuracy, while lower quality ones may look grainy or distorted. Always review your images closely before finalizing your work. This helps maintain a polished and visually appealing result, especially in presentations or publications where image quality is critical. Let's copy this image first. Now, reduce its size so it's easier to view. Next, duplicate the image. After that, click Edit. In the Edit menu, select the Upscale option to enhance the image quality. This will increase the resolution and improve clarity. Repeat these steps if necessary to achieve the desired result. This process helps maintain image sharpness even after resizing. Keep experimenting until you're satisfied with the final image quality. After applying the upscale feature, this image shows noticeable improvement. To begin, open your photo in the editing software. Next, locate and select the upscale option from the enhancement menu. The software will analyze the image and increase its resolution, refining details and reducing pixelation. Wait for the process to complete before reviewing the enhanced version. Compare the upgraded image to the original by toggling between views. Use the zoom tool to inspect the finer details and ensure the quality meets your expectations. When satisfied, save the enhanced image using the Save or Export option. This process improves clarity and sharpness significantly. To improve image quality in Canva, click Share and then Download. If you have a premium account, maximize the size option to enhance image resolution. Make sure all pages you want are selected before clicking Download. This ensures you get the best quality output for your project. Using these steps will help you achieve clearer, sharper images when exporting your Canva designs. Always double check your settings before finalizing the download. Now you know how to boost your photo quality in Canva. Smash that like button and subscribe for more tips.